Ever wondered how to make slick split-screen videos using CapCut? Maybe you want to show two perspectives side by side, compare before and after shots, or collaborate with a friend for a fun reaction video. Well, today I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to create a split-screen effect in CapCut. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add this dynamic look to your own videos. No sweat? Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to set up our timeline. Open CapCut and import the video clips you want to use. For a split screen, you'll need at least 2 video files, so just drag them into your project. This part is a breeze. The main thing to focus on here is to get your clips organized. Next, drag your first video onto the timeline. This is going to be the base layer, so think of it as the foundation of your split screen. Then, take your second video and drag it directly on top of the first, but make sure it's on a separate track. Both clips should start at the same time, lining up perfectly at the beginning of the timeline. If you're working with clips of different lengths, it's okay. You'll want to align them at the start so the split screen effect kicks in right where you need it. Now, once your clips are stacked, it's time to position your top video. Go ahead and select that second video on the timeline. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see the Video Basic settings. Here's a little trick. Reduce the opacity of that top video. Something like 70% is good. This helps you see both clips at once in the preview window, which really helps with positioning. Trust me, this is an extra step that makes alignment way easier. Once the opacity is down, click and drag on the video in the preview area to move it toward one side of the screen. If you're going for a left-right split, you'll want to nudge one video to the left and the other to the right. CapCut also gives you transform sliders for position and scale, so you can fine-tune exactly where your video sits and resize it as needed. Take your time here, there's no rush, and you want everything to be lined up so it looks seamless. Ready for the split screen magic? While the top video is still selected, head back to those Video Basic settings and look for the Mask tab. Click on that, and you'll see a few options. The most common is the Split Mask, which creates a vertical line dividing your video. You can also choose the Horizontal Mask if you want a top and bottom split instead. Great for showing 2 different angles or reactions. To get the mask just right, use your mouse in the preview window to drag the dividing line and adjust where the split sits. Maybe you want it dead center, or maybe you want to give a little more space to one side. Totally up to you. For a vertical split, you'll need to rotate the mask by entering 90 degrees in the rotation setting. That spins the mask so the line goes up and down instead of left to right. Don't worry if this feels fiddly at first. Just zoom in and use those handles until the split feels balanced. Think of it like lining up a picture frame. Small adjustments can make a big difference. And that's it. When you play back your video, you'll see both clips side by side, or top and bottom, in a crisp split screen. This effect can make your projects look way more professional, whether you're making tutorials, vlogs, or creative content. If you run into any hiccups while masking or positioning, remember, you can always reset and try again. CapCut is pretty forgiving. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap that like button. It lets me know you're enjoying these guides. If you have any questions about split screen effects or CapCut tricks in general, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy, powerful video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.